YouTube time. What are we going to do now?
We haven't gone shark fishing yet.
I had soup last night.
Can I borrow some money?
Yes, of course. How much?
$789.
What for?
Can we talk about God?
Ooh, my favorite topic. When I think of God, it makes me want to write love poems.
Roses are red, Nerf bullets are blue. Get yourself right and join the Get Money crew.
Join the Get
Dab
Money
on
crew.
haters.
Yes, sir. The Fellowship of the Doers. Now we're talking. Right there. Speaking of
Speaking of do you know when the world is going to end?
No, but not today. It's already lunchtime tomorrow in Australia. Well, this video's... Oh, one more thing to say. It seems, Driver's thinking of something to say right now. What is it?
Alexa told me we have 5 billion years left. That's enough time to
Do
a lot of getting funny money.
the funny money. Is that what you're doing now? Get that money up in there. Get it. Get money. Get money. Oh, yeah. Snack time. 50-cent boogers. We're having a Kool-Aid stand this summer, and we're going to be selling boogers. My boogers, you get paid to eat them. Driver's boogers are a little more fresh and young, innocent boogers. Not so polluted. The invisible booger. I don't even see it. Why was I saying booger? Bugger. Suck a fish. Incorporated. Signing off. Come on, get a good one. Oh, yes. I got $1. Can I have it?